There it is.
We are a non-profit organization that teaches young people how to make beats, how to make music, how to DJ music production, hip-hop, rap, electronic music, country, rock, almost every kind of music that you'll hear on the radio goes in a pattern or chord. And what I have here, I've written different drum sounds. What does this say here, this one? Get it. What is this one? Hi-hat. Snare. Ready, and
my name is Capri and I like the music and all this stuff because they're so cool. I just feel like I want to play them all day.
There you go. Nice, again.
Hello everyone, my name is Milad Yasin-Pen. I'm the Executive Director of Oakland Youth Aspire, and the level of enthusiasm that the kids showed today, I haven't seen this in years.
I'm Dana Rose, and I started an organization called Hip Hop Heads. They were engaged, they were laughing, they were smiling, they were having a good time. They seemed focused.
Hey, what up? I'm Stanley Ipkiss. The workshop today was amazing, man. The children are really juiced to be able to make beats. A lot of them are pretty musically talented. Melodically, with the bass line and the drums and everything themselves, just from learning what Dr. Elliott was teaching.
So please do come back. We'd love to have you back again.
I learned all about music.